Guys, Jay here from Wood Pigeon Outdoors. We made it! We made it.
Yes!
And you're excited?
I'm pretty excited.
This is our site. I know it's not much to look at, but over here, look at that. See that right there? That is the beach. Mother's Day weekend, so happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there.
Yeah, happy Mother's Day.
So,
yeah.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to set up, and then we're going to put a sweater on because the breeze is still coming over. What? Maybe stroll on the beach?
Yeah.
Sounds good?
Sounds good.
Sounds good. So we'll set up. But you're excited. Right over there is the beach. So right over the sand dune right here is the, which lake? Lake Ontario.
Yeah.
So it's Lake Ontario, far off from it. So it's literally, if I turn you guys around, right there. And what's nice is there's barely anybody here. There's like maybe a few other campers down the way, down that way. But we'll bring it to the beach, and well, we're already on the beach, but yeah, we'll show you around. We're gonna, I don't know what you're going to do, but I want to look for some seashells.
Oh god, those little guys that look like seagulls, but they have a black head.
So we went for a walk along the beach and found this. It's a little turtle shell, right? Yeah, it feels sad that it died on the beach, but it's part of nature. We also found something kind of cute. So
your new friend.
We got a new friend. So we found this little guy on the beach as well. And where are you going? You're running away.
You're following me.
So hold on, stay here. So we figure he's going to be our new mascot.
Yeah, no, you figured.
Okay, I figured. It's going to be our new mascot for the channel, right? And we want you guys to name him.
Sure.
Right?
Yeah, it's a raccoon, by the way.
Oh, I say it's a squirrel. She says it's a raccoon. I don't know. Has
something furry.
Yeah, something cute and furry. There we go. See? Right? So found that. And going to be the channel mascot now. And speaking of channel mascots, if you haven't checked out Michael Feyrer Jr. and his channel, you could go see his mascot. Also, Happy Trails Hiking has a cute little mascot too. His name's Trekker, and the other one's Piney. So go check out their channels. And yeah, so leave a comment to see if what we should name them. Like, comment down below what we should name them. I don't mind waiting. You chose a name? Just easy. Type it down below. So, anyways, we're going to go check on the steaks.